Hello and welcome to the Embrace Academy. This is Ash Mishra and I am going to present a very unified topic that is always we have listened about and we have concerned in the family, in the society about. That's giving power to others. It's similarly with all of us. It usually happens with all of us. And what the kind of thing I am going to convey today is the point where we should having our conclusion of what we can give to the powers to others. I'm talking about as of giving a power to others mean giving your steering to drive by the others. I'm talking about a life vehicle which we runs and gives sometimes the steering to run by others. I'm talking about our powers mean getting involved by the others' feedbacks, comments, and whatever the other makes perception about us. I'm talking about whenever, let's say, take an example of whenever a person says us that what's your negativity is that you walks wrong. What's your negativity is you talks sometimes different, and what's your negativity is that one you cannot interact with. This all is the kind of thing that people mix about our consent and our comments. And one thing that we all get off that we give our power to them. If the person has made a comment over us, over our personality, over our attitude, we give them power that they have assumed ourselves, they have unified ourselves that what we are actually, but it's not really mean to us. I definitely say take decision, take feedbacks from all, but do yours. Because it's always, I not say that not follow the feedback of others. Don't follow whatever they suggest to you, but one thing that makes you negative towards your thoughts, towards your personality, you should never go on upon this. This is because a writer very finely said, if I would have listened about others about me, so I would never have finded me. Definitely it's because it happens with all of us. We never find ourselves because we never focus on ourselves. We focus on what others says about us, what other makes perception about us, and what others makes comments about us. It is really very kind of thing we get disappointing about our society where we focus. If a person focus on himself that what he has gained, what he have, so definitely he would go to a next level, that exploitation, and he would explore a personality that not exist in this universe, and that is the way where people becomes billionaire and trillionaires. It is the way that when a situation has happened with many billionaires, you would have to go from the many things, many people thoughts, many comments, and after all you have to focus on yourself. What I am really, I can only know, I can only understand, I can only make my assumptions over my personality, over my attitude, what I am doing actually, because people is only seeing my outer personality, what I am not, they are not seeing what I am thinking, what I am focusing on. So that's matter to you, that how you think, how you focus is all up to you, and now not matter to others. And that's why I think that feedbacks is good, feedback taking good, suggestion is taking good, but when a person makes assumption that is a negative toward you, that is a negative point of view, and you should improve, definitely you should improve. If you seems that it's wrong and you have felt it before what the person has said, so definitely go upon with. But it is a very a thing that we usually face is that we never focus on the concern whatever we have. We mostly accept the things that we not actually have gone through, and we accept that because a person who is much knowledgeable, much qualified from us, we accept that and go upon this, and this makes us sometimes distracted from our way, from our track, and from our whatever the goal we are going to target. So one thing I would like to say in the last is that listen all, do yours. Listen all, because you would get a perception about the world and what the people thinks about me, what people makes assumptions about me, and what I am looking outside in the world. But whatever you have to do is do on yourself, is that focus on yourself, what you are actually and what you know about yourself, and make an improvement in it. So you would be getting one kind of a better way of you would finding your better one of yours. And that would be one of the things that would create you unique from the world. Never go to the others what says. Thank you so much for watching me.